All right, so you mentioned a few things already in terms of Fair Work. So can you just give us an introduction to what is this Fair Work system and how is it different from the previous system that was in place?
Sure, it's very different, as I'm sure most of you have already found out as employers. We're talking about something fundamentally different from what we had before. So you might know we used to have legislation that was called the Workplace Relations Act of 1996 originally, and then it was amended. And the amendments that came through were called work choices. So we went from this work choices legislation, which was very, very, some would say, pro-employer, and doesn't really contain many benefits for employees. We've swung right back the other way now to this legislation called the Fair Work Act, which is very, in most people's opinion, very pro-employee, and making life a little bit more difficult. And that's probably an understatement, significantly more difficult, really, for employers. So in a nutshell, what we have in the Fair Work Act is we have 10 national employment standards that you must provide to all of your employees. So they are 10 minimum conditions of employment. And again, if you don't provide any of those, then there are maximum penalties of $33,000 per employee for not providing those. And then on top of those 10 national employment standards, we have these other documents called modern awards. And there are 122 of these modern awards. Most Australian employees are covered by a modern award, and it's the employer's obligation to find which modern award applies to their employee and to ensure that you're providing terms and conditions in accordance with that modern award. So it sits on top of these 10 national employment standards, and you have to provide all of those requirements for your staff.
We'll get to those 10 in the next card, which then in that handout we have got, so we've listed those 10 national employment standards also. Okay, anything else to add in terms of the Fair Work system?
In terms of key differences, what I would add to that is, I suppose, the legislation around unfair dismissals, for example, has changed dramatically, and I know we'll come to that later on. And it's very important that you're all aware that the unfair dismissal provisions have significantly changed, and more businesses, in fact, almost every business is now captured by the unfair dismissal laws, whereas in the past, small businesses were exempt. That is no longer the case. And we also have significant changes in relation to really the relationship between employees